Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'll be reviewing this box. This is a perfect gift for all occasions, whether it's birthdays, anniversaries, holidays, or just to give your friends and family a gift. This is their Rose All Day BFF Love. So the name of the company is this. I don't want to say it because I feel like I'm going to mispronounce it and I don't want to butcher the name. So I'm going to put the name here. Of course, I'm going to put a link down below for my Amazon shop where I've added not only this gift box, but I've added a bunch of their other gift boxes as well. What's in here? It is rose petals, bath salts, essential oil, salt scrub, hand soap. This is a little bit about it. If you want to pause and read. So we're going to open it up just so you guys can see what it looks like. It is a beautifully wrapped in here. It's like perfect for gift giving. Move this card. Look at that. And it smells so good. Like, guys, I love rose scented stuff. So if you don't like rose scented stuff, they have other scents. But I love this. And it tells you... in here, it tells you like what each product is, the ingredients for each product, and how to use each product, which is great. And what I like about this also, it is a cruelty-free brand. Products are cruelty-free, and that is amazing. So we're going to go step by step for the products that are in here. So the first one, first of all, this is super cute and adorable. Do you see this? This is their bath salt rose scented Rosé All Day. First of all, this is a great gift to give with a bottle of rosé because it just goes. Or if you have friends who don't drink but like the fancy luxury life, this is also a cute set. It smells honestly amazing and I cannot wait to try this. I will be making a video of me trying all the products, like having a little spa day with these products in this video. The next product, it is their Rosé All Day hand soap. Guys, it smells so good. This is the hand soap. It's back. I'm going to pause and read. Next, it is salt scrub rose scented. Oh, like what you put on your skin and you rub. For a minute, I was like, salt scrub, and I couldn't remember what a salt scrub is, and you can hear it. Some ASMR. This is of course rose scented. This is the directions and information about it right there. It smells amazing. Ah, oh, guys, I love me essential oils, especially rose scented stuff. I will be slathering this all over me. All over. Look at this. If you want to pause and read more about it. This bottle in itself is super cute. Do you see this? Hold on. Let me give you guys a better look. Super cute. Yeah, I'll definitely be trying this out for you guys. And last but not least, it is their rose petals. It is a rose petals for a bath, to have a luxurious bath. This is the instructions and directions and ingredients. You want to pause and read. Let's see. It smells like rose petals. Very nice. So, if you're looking for a set that has cute products that smell great and make you feel luxurious, I highly recommend you guys check them. Highly recommend you guys check this out. It is a cute set to give Mother's Day, birthdays, anniversary, Christmas, although it just passed, any holiday. Like, this is like would be like a little gift just because. Or if you want to gift yourself and have a spa day for yourself, which is what I'm gonna have later on, and I'm gonna be using all this and having myself a luxurious bath time. I highly recommend you guys treat yourself and check out this brand. And of course, I'm going to let you know in the video how this feels because I have yet to try these products on myself. But you will see in this video. how luxurious this really is. Alright guys, I was gonna take a bubble bath, but I'm not feeling so well and I just want to take a quick shower and go to bed. So what I am going to use is the oil on my skin later. Can I put this in my hair? I could put the essential oils and mix it with the salt scrub in the shower and like open it so you guys can see. I'm afraid. Oh, ooh, it smells so good. This is what it looks like. Yeah, definitely I think mixed with the essential oil. You know what? Sprinkle in some. Guys, it smells so good. Put on my skin. I'm pleasantly surprised. I didn't think it was gonna like feel like this, and it smells good still. I'm like, and that was great. And thank you guys so much for watching my video. Sorry that I didn't use up all the products, but again, I don't feel well. I just want to jump into the shower, but I figured let me just show you some of them being used. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day, afternoon, evening, whichever time you're watching, and please stay safe out there. Bye now. Just an FYI, my skin feels super soft and it smells like roses. I absolutely love the scent of roses. Highly recommend you guys check out the gift set and other gift sets they have. They have chocolates, they have so many other gift sets, so you guys can check them out and see for yourself. And they're perfect, like I said, gifts for your friends, family, or anyone special in your life.